Hello YouTube, it's me again. Today we're going to show you how to add your custom sounds onto StickNotes Pro. So what you need to do is you need to download two apps to do this. You need to get this FX app. It's over here. So you go on Play Store. You search File Explorer. Then you get this one, FX File Explorer. You download it. And then you get an app called Instant Buttons. The best soundboard over here, and this is what you do. You open Instant Sound Buttons, and you can find some of the any sound like angry cat or these nuts or love. What the fuck? Oh my god! No. Shut up. How about this one?
Smoke weed every day.
Yeah, any of those. But I'm gonna download Can't Touch This to show you.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
So you're gonna see some like 3 dots next to it. You're going to click it, and then you're going to click share. You're going to share it to FX, save as. And then this will open. Then you're going to search for StickNotes. Hold on. Share. Hold on, something's wrong with it. Oh, but before you do that, that's really annoying when it doesn't work. Anyways, you go on FX again, and then I think you go on Documents. No. Download. No. Oh, Main Storage. And then you're going to look for StickNotes file. And you're going to click Sounds. Like that, yeah. There's some sounds there. That's already there. And then we're going to go to Instant Buttons. We're going to share one of them to save as. And then you're going to then you're just going to click StickNotes. And then you're going to click Sounds. And then you can put it on that file. And whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it Can't Touch This. And then you're going to put a .mp3. You must do this, otherwise it won't work. And once it would save. And then, if you already have StickNotes Pro up, you got to close it down, and then you got to put it back up. So let's show you this. Just put on StickNotes Pro. Waiting. So once you've opened StickNotes Pro and done shared it to FX File Explorer and put it on sound, you must click Import a sound on the frame and then click No, and then here it is. I even put more on here like Derp Song and Sad Violin. I think that one's too long. Oh, never mind. And here we are. We got Can't Touch This.
Can't touch this.
There we go.
Can't touch this.
And that's how you do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Add thousands of sounds and